In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ABS sensor. So I've already scanned it on the diagnostics and it's confirmed it's the rear right. So this is the new ABS sensor I'm replacing. And if you come around the back of the drum brake, some disc brake ones are probably going to be the same. Right here, that is the old sensor and it's held in with one little bolt, I guess you call it, a screw. And this is the clip that I've already undone. You just pinch it and pull it. This is using a T25 Torx bit. I've already taken the old one off and I'm just screwing the new one on. You just take the screw out and pull it and it pops off. And then just nip it up with a little ratchet like this, or just do it by hand if you think it's going to be suitable. Doesn't need to be too tight because it's not really holding anything in particular, just a wire. But clip the thing back on, and then you remove any lights you got. This is the light I was using. It's just a bike light, something simple. It's quite handy to have. Just chucking that back in the box. And I'll put a link to a new one of these down below. They're not expensive and it's saved me quite a lot of money just doing it myself. As you can see, it's pretty easy. So if you've got the ABS warning light or traction light, then it's probably going to be an ABS sensor like this. Giving the hub a quick clean because the wheel was a bit stiff when I was trying to get it off earlier. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you liked this video and I hope it helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Cheers.